network problem, you can go. Saksham, exam got over?
Yes, sir.
How was the paper?
Nice, sir. Easy it was. I did all.
Okay, full mark, na?
Yes, sir. Expecting 30.
Thank you. Right, refraction of light at plane surfaces. This chapter is there even in 11th and 12th science. What is reflection? Yes, what is meaning of reflection?
Bouncing back of
Or can I say returning of
So
the
return
ray?
of light from the similar medium after bouncing from a certain surface.
Correct. In that case, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection,
Yes, sir.
and incident ray, reflected ray, normal lies in the same plane.
Yeah, sir.
But refraction is changing the direction. How many types of medium you know?
So three, liquid, solid, and gas.
They are called states of matter. Medium are rarer and denser. If rarer medium, then particles are close or away.
In rarer, they are away, and in denser, they are closer.
Correct. And it is relative term. See, air may be rarer for glass, but for vacuum it is denser. So refraction will take place only if two mediums are different, one rarer and other denser. And that too, it should be transparent. Is air transparent or opaque? Air is
Transparent.
transparent. And what about glass? Transparent. What about wood?
opaque.
Opaque. So wood will not give you refraction. What about our wall?
No.
It won't give refraction, it will give only reflection. So refraction means light should travel from one transparent medium to another. That too obliquely inclined, it should not travel normally. So refraction of light means, see what? When ray of light travels obliquely, when ray of light travels obliquely from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. When ray of light travels obliquely from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, then it changes its direction. This phenomenon is called as refraction of light. Followed, what is refraction of light? When ray of
Yes,
light
sir.
travels obliquely from one transparent medium to another, then it changes its direction. This phenomenon is called as refraction of light. Copy it now.
So you have taught us all this.
This I have taught, fourth chapter.
Now the fourth chapter, this part, refraction, laws of reflection and refraction, effect of speed, frequency, and wavelength on refraction of light.
I have done this.
So you started even numericals.
Acha, acha, acha. Good, 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 good. Then I have taught you three numericals I did, or what?
So no, I think you did only one that day.
Speed of light in air, that I did for you.
Yeah, sir.
अच्छा हो गया बोल दिया आपने चलो ठीक है this just right then I'm coming to that. Have you written this?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Now I'm clearing this. One small theory I'm doing, path of reversibility. Then I'm doing the numerical for you.
Okay, sir.
Principle of reversibility of light, of path of light. When I say reverse gear, means same path in opposite direction, or different path in opposite direction?
Same path.
Same path. Suppose this is divider of road. Vehicles are traveling this way. This is not reverse path. This vehicle starts moving backward. This is reverse path. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when ray of light is made to travel in opposite direction, then it follows same path. This is called path of principle of reversibility. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Suppose this is incident ray AB and this is refracted ray BC. When you reverse the direction, then it will follow same path but in opposite direction. That is called principle of reversibility. Meaning followed?
Yes, sir.
When direction of light is reversed, it follows same path but in opposite direction. This is principle of reversibility. I hope you followed. Home followed?
Yes, sir.
Home followed?
Follow.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Right on. When the direction of light is reversed, then it follows same path but in opposite direction. This is known as principle of reversibility of path of light. This is known as principle of reversibility of path of light.
Done, sir.
Okay. Show that mu to 1. How to read this? Can you tell me? How to read this? Refractive index of second medium with respect to first. How to read?
refractive medium of second medium respective to the first.
Refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium.
The first.
What is this written?
Refractive index of the first medium with respect to
Correct.
the second medium.
So we are telling, prove that or show that mu21 into mu12 equal to 1. What is Snell's law of refraction? When ray of light travels from one medium to another, it bears constant ratio with sign I and sign R. That is called as refractive index of second medium with respect to first. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can I say, consider a ray of light traveling from first medium to second medium. Therefore, by Snell's law of refraction, refractive index of second with respect to first is sin I upon sin R. Not followed.
Followed, sir.
Okay, please copy this much. Yes, return.
Sir, just a minute.
Okay. Om, you have to study part 1 full. Huh? I will keep Viva for you tomorrow. Om.
Seventh chapter.
Haan. 7th A. When you are free tomorrow, tell me. I want to conduct Viva for you. Tomorrow, what time you are free? 8 o'clock you are free? Night?
Sir, maths class will be
So what time you are free? Tell me your timing.
4 o'clock.
Huh?
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Okay. 4 o'clock I will send the link. I will take your Viva. 7 A.
Okay, sir.
Haan.
Yeah, sir, done.
Okay. Saksham, what is meaning of path is reversed? Saksham, you can hear?
Yes, sir.
What is meaning of path reversed?
Like the rays reversed on that.
Matlab first medium becomes second medium and second medium becomes first, na?
Yes, sir.
See, first light was going from here to here, then reverse. This is second will become now first. First will become second. No, that is called reverse.
Yes, sir.
So can I say this will become 1 and this will become 2?
Yes.
And I will become R, R will become I?
Yes.
I think many of you have not followed. फिर से बताता हूँ. Om, be attentive.
Done, sir.
Wait, well done. I'm explaining again. First equation you have done. I said be attentive. Om, you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Just look on the board and you have to explain me the meaning. If this is first medium and this is second medium, When it is reversed, then for that light, this will become first and this will become second or not?
Yes, sir.
So this was earlier I and this is R. Now this R will become I and I will become R or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is my equation 2. If I multiplying 1 and 2, we get mu 1 2 into mu, sorry, first was mu of 2 1 into mu 1 2. Is it sine I upon sine R into sine of R upon sine of I? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sin I cancels, sin R cancels. So you get mu 2 1 into mu 1 2 equal to 1 or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, copy now.
Done, sir.
Okay. Example. If refractive index of glass with respect to air is 3 by 2, then refractive index of air with respect to glass will be 1 upon glass with respect to air, है ना उल्टा? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So can I say it is 3 by 2? That means 2 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Copy. And then I am doing now numericals. I think I did all. Just check. Once again, we'll see revision. Written?
Yes, sir.
Now, from textbook, just come to page number 82, first one. Home read.
The speed of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per
Okay, one
second.
second, stop. Speed of light, I will write V A. Okay, speed means V, in air is A. 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Now further what?
Calculate the speed of light in glass.
So VG we want to calculate. Refractive index of glass is given 1.5. So as per our formula, it is V in air upon V in glass. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So 1.5 is 3 into 10 raised to 8 upon V of glass. So V of glass is 3 into 10 raised to 8 upon 1.5. So V in glass is 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Please copy.
नहीं नॉर्मल खाना है वगैरह करना है थोड़ा सा फूड एक्सरसाइज वगैरह अभी जस्ट किया है अभी एक ही को बैठ गया क्योंकि कल मैं फ्री नहीं कल नौकरी के बाद जाना था कल मेरा मिस हो गया
सबको शेयर देने चाहिए।
हाँ एक मैंने अरेंज कर दिया
एक और छोटा चेयर है, वो एकदम आइडियल है। किधर गया? अंदर है क्या?
हाँ वो इंदर
इस पर आप कंफर्टेबल
लगाओ
हाँ चलो मल्टीपल प्लग है is done.
Yes, sir.
Second one I'm reading. The speed of light in diamond. How to represent? V speed D diamond. Okay. Is 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3 kilometer per second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So can I write 1.25 into 10 raised to 5? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Kilometer per second. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1.25 into 10 raised to 5. How to convert into meter? Multiply by 1000.
Yes, sir.
So 10 raised to 3. So can I say this velocity is 1.25 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second?
Yes, sir.
The refractive index of diamond means mu d. Speed in air VA is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So since refractive index of diamond with respect to air is V in air upon V in diamond. So it is 3 into 10 raised to 8 upon 1.25 into 10 raised to 8. So this becomes 300 upon 125. What is 25 into 5? Is it 125?
Yes, sir.
And 25 into 12 is 300. So 2.4. What unit we should write? Yes, what unit we should write? No unit, na? Refractive index is comparison between velocities or between two medium or between two wavelength. So whenever we take comparison or find ratio, no unit.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, this 3 into 10 raised to 8,
Uh,
how did it get converted to 300?
1 upon 0.1. Can you write 10 upon 1?
Yes, sir.
So 1 upon 1.25. Can you write 100 upon 125?
Yes, sir.
So 3 upon 1.25, 2 decimal. I'm multiplying by 100 in the numerator, becomes 300. And
Yes,
this is
sir.
125. Now followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Saksham, your exam got over or it is going on?
Yes, sir, it got over.
Okay. Any chapter, new chapter they started?
No, till now they have not done anything.
But I think you were told fourth chapter, first part they had completed.
No, fourth का नहीं, third का that time they had done. फिर
अच्छा,
उसके बाद
okay.
fourth they'll start now. Like अभी this week में we'll have period I think Thursday को.
No, but now again they might reduce the syllabus by 25%.
अच्छा board का.
Hmm. Because CBSE 11th and 12th they are having two exams, semester 1, semester 2. So for you also in 10-15 days something will come like that. One exam will be in November, second will be in the April. Half portion in November and half in April. These are the possibilities.
But offline school का there's no guarantee ना to
No,
start. or
offline
something.
it is not possible. This year to at least it will be online.
And classes also.
See, if of course school is not starting, then classes, so they will not give permission. No? First permission they will give to school and then to class.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Third one. Nora, read third one.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
The refractive index of water with respect to air is 4 upon 3. What is the refractive index of air with respect to water?
So it is just path reversal. Water is becoming air, air is becoming water now. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So when path is reversed, just now we proved it will be reciprocal. If mu2
Yes, sir.
1, then it becomes 1 upon mu1 2. Just now we did. So can I say it will be 1 upon 4 by 3? That means 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is 0.75.
Yes, sir.
Okay, try.
Done, sir.
Okay. Fourth one. A ray of light has 5400 angstrom, suffers refraction from air to glass. So from air it goes to glass, whose refractive index is 3/2. Find the wavelength in glass. See, refractive index, one formula is by Snell's law, sin I upon sin R. Second formula is velocity of light in air upon medium. Third, wavelength in air upon wavelength in medium. So in this case, I have to use which formula? First, second, or third? Which should be used? First wala, second wala, or third wala?
Third.
Third, correct. Because we want wavelength. So refractive index of glass with respect to air is wavelength in air upon wavelength in glass. So 3/2 is 5400 upon wavelength in glass. So wavelength in glass is 2 into 5400 upon 3. 3 into 1800. Therefore, wavelength in glass is 3600 angstrom unit. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Solve.
Done, sir.
Okay. Come to multiple choice question. Same page. Home, read first one.
When a ray of light from air enters a denser medium, it
Air is rarer
option
or
A.
denser? Air is what? Rarer
There
or
are
denser?
eh,
Rarer. So ray of light travels from rarer medium to denser medium. Does it bend towards the normal?
yes, sir.
So it will bend towards the normal. Option is given anywhere like that.
Yes, sir.
Which option? A or B or C?
B.
Yes, it bends towards the normal. B, correct. So first answer is B. Second one, light ray does not bends at the boundary in passing from one medium to another. Light ray will not bend if it is along the normal like this. So can you suggest what is angle of incidence now?
0.
0. When light is incident along normal, that means with normal it is making 0 degree. I is 0. By mistake, don't say 90. This is incident ray. Angle made by incident ray with normal is called angle of incidence. Both are same line, therefore I is 0. Third one. Highest refractive index is of diamond. Diamond is more denser as compared to water, glass, or ruby. So C option. No doubt in multiple choice?
No, sir.
29th one. Fill in the blanks to complete the following sentence. When light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, that means its speed will decrease, correct?
Yes, sir.
Because particles are closer, its path will be obstructed, speed will decrease. When it travels from denser to rarer, then speed will
Increase.
increase. And goes from refractive index of glass with respect to air is 3 by 2. So what will be air with respect to glass? Is it ulta?
Yes, sir.
So 2 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, copy.
Done, sir.
Can you see question number 21?
Yes, sir.
Figure in the figure, ray of light A incident from air suffers partial reflection and refraction at the boundary of water. Complete the diagram showing the reflected ray B and refracted ray C. So I'm just drawing the diagram. You help me how to complete it. This is the boundary separating air with water. Ray of light is incident on the surface. What is this ray line called as? This one is called as normal.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this is called incident ray,
Yes, sir.
air to water. So they are telling the reflected ray B and refracted ray C you have to draw. This is reflected ray such that angle of incidence is same as angle of reflection. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Refracted ray will move in same direction or away from normal or towards the normal.
Towards the normal.
Towards the normal, bends towards the normal. So this is our reflected ray B and this one is refracted ray C. Diagram followed?
Yes, sir.
Because there are reflected and refracted rays, so I'm writing angle of reflection R, refraction as R dash. Draw diagram now.
Done, sir.
Okay. So diagram over. First part. Second, they are telling how are the angle I and refraction R. I have taken R dash, related. So how they are related? Refractive index of water with respect to air is by Snell's law sin I upon angle of refraction. I have taken r dash. This is the relation. Clear? A and B both?
Yes, sir.
Taken. Then I am doing 22 for you. Shall I clear 21?
Yes, sir.
22. The diagram alongside shows the refraction of ray of light from air to a liquid. (30°) air, liquid, this is 45°. Diagram alongside represents refraction of ray of light from air to liquid. Write values of angle of incidence. Yes, Saksham, can you tell what is angle of incidence?
So 30.
No, beta. Angle of incidence means angle made by incident ray with normal, na? 60 हो जाएगा, correct?
हाँ.
So it is I equal to 60, not 30. What will be angle of refraction?
40.
45. This is angle of refraction. Fortunately, 45 मिलके 90 होता है. So it is 45°. B. Using Snell's law, find the refractive index of liquid, that means second medium, with respect to air. Is it sin I upon sin R?
Yes, sir.
Sin I means sin 60 and sin R means sin of 45. What is sin 60? √3/2.
Yes, sir.
And sin 45, 1 upon √2.
Yes, sir.
So can I write √3/2 into √2/1?
Yes, sir.
So this means √3 upon √2 or not?
Yes, sir.
Because √2 into √2 is 2. So that means √3/2 or not?
Yes, sir.
So root of 1.5, correct?
Yes, sir.
Root of 1.5 is 1.22. You can leave at root 1.5. Copy. It's slightly. No, you can increase. Huh? You have decreased. Huh? No. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
23rd. Yes, everybody is completed. Can I clear it off?
Yes, sir.
23rd. The refractive index of water with respect to air is mu WA, and that of glass with respect to air is mu GA. Express refractive index of glass with respect to air. Glass with respect to air. This can be written as mu G upon mu W. Nothing is here, we can write air. So this is the answer. How to write this? Mu of glass with respect to diamond, mu glass upon mu diamond. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Just tell me how will you write this? Mu 2 upon mu 3. Okay?
Yes, sir.
This one how will you write? Mu 2 upon mu 1. Mu of water with respect to glass. How will you write? Yes, tell fast. Mu water upon mu glass. Any doubt? Any doubt in representation of mu in numerator denominator?
No, sir.
Copy.
Done, sir.
Draw diagram showing refraction of light through glass block. Let's draw this glass block. PQRS is a glass block. Draw a normal incident ray at an angle I, you can call this as AO. Extend this AO further. This means if there is no glass slab, it would have followed same direction. Incident ray. Second normal on QR. Ray of light will bend. Normal MN, M1, N1, this is refracted ray. So it is found that ray of light will not follow same direction when it is going from glass to air, moves away from normal and becomes parallel to that original light. This is called emergent ray. Direction of incident ray, emergent will be parallel to incident ray. And perpendicular distance between them is called as lateral displacement. XY is lateral displacement. Complete this diagram. For 2 marks, it can be asked in the exam. This Sunday you will have your usual timetable lecture 11:30 to 12:30. Hello?
So normally is in class from
11 na?
11 to 12.
ठीक है 11 to 12 I will keep.
Done, sir.
So today we stop here. I'm not doing more because you have another chapter. Revise this, and for Om tomorrow 4 o'clock I will send the link. Okay, for Viva
Yes, sir.
of chapter number 7 part A only.
Okay, sir.
And 1 minute, please you all write the planner for a week. Today is 6th, 6/7/21 till 12/7/21. Write the planner. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday till Monday. Home, for you, this planner is not valid because you have exam. Other students will write chapter 4, question number 1, 2, 3. From the book, you have to write the answer. And 4, 5, 6 on Wednesday, 7, 8, 9 on Thursday, 10, 11, 12 on Friday, 13, 14, 15 on Saturday, 16, 17, 18. Just 3 sums I am giving. 19, 20, 21. This much questions you have to complete. If any answers you are not getting, please post me the question.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's all for today. We'll meet now Sunday, 10 o'clock. Will meet tomorrow, 4 o'clock. Okay?
Okay, bye, sir.
Yes,
Thank you.
bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.